One of the most exciting and rewarding experiences you can have is starting a business, but there is always the common question of how to start a business. Of course, there are many alternative approaches to starting your own business. But before making any decisions, think about your business idea, how much time you have, and how much money you want to invest. In this video, we've put together a list of steps and considerations to assist you to succeed while launching a small business. Before we continue, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button below. And remember to click the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload our videos. A business is a company or an inventive entity engaged in commercial, industrial, or professional activity. Businesses can either be for-profit or non-profit organizations. Limited liability firms, sole proprietorships, corporations, and partnerships are all examples of business types. Some firms operate as small operations in a particular industry, and others work as giant operations that span multiple industries worldwide. When you're your boss, you'll find inspiration every day at work. It's exhilarating to pursue your aspirations because you're in charge of your success. Your company's day-to-day viability is dependent on you, so you'll be motivated to make each day as productive as possible. You'll know that your hard work and determination will help you reap the benefits, and that will fuel your desire to make each day count. Working for a salary has various financial advantages, but they can't be compared to starting your firm. First, you're establishing a business with the potential to expand, so your purse will grow in tandem with your business. And your company is an excellent asset in and of itself, as its value increases as it expands. You also have the option of selling it or keeping it and passing it down to your heirs. It's valuable in either case. According to the U.S. Small Business Administration, most micro-businesses cost roughly $3,000 to establish, whereas most home-based franchises cost $2,000 to $5,000. While each firm has its own set of financing requirements, experts have some pointers to assist you to figure out how much money you'll need. For example, an entrepreneur will require 6 months' worth of fixed costs at the startup stage. Now, to start the business. The first step is choosing which business you want. Popular business advice urges you to monetize something you enjoy, but it overlooks two crucial factors. It must be profitable and something you excel at. For example, you may enjoy music, but how viable is your company idea if you're not a terrific performer or songwriter? Perhaps you enjoy manufacturing soap and want to create a soap shop in your small town, but there are already 3 nearby. It may be challenging to monopolize the market when you're producing the same product as the others. Most entrepreneurs devote more effort to their products than to researching their competitors. However, when you seek outside money, a potential lender or partner will want to know what makes you, or your business idea, stand out. That brings us to the second step, market research. If market research suggests that your product or service is oversaturated in your location, consider if you can come up with a new strategy. For example, consider housekeeping. Instead of providing general cleaning services, you might focus on cleaning houses with pets or garage cleanups. After your market research, you should come up with a business plan. A business plan is a living document that acts as a roadmap for starting a new company. This document is easy to grasp and absorb for possible investors, financial institutions, and firm management. Even if you plan to self-fund, a business plan can assist you in fleshing out your concept and identifying potential issues. After your business plan, you should go ahead to register the business. Before you can legally operate your firm, you'll need to obtain various business licenses. You must, for example, register your company with the federal, state, and municipal governments. Before registering, you must prepare some documents. For example, you may need to obtain an employment identification number from the IRS after registering your business. While it is not essential for sole proprietorships with no workers, you may wish to apply for one nonetheless to keep your personal and business taxes separate, or simply to save yourself time if you decide to hire someone later. You must first determine the type of entity your firm is before registering it. Everything from how you submit your taxes to your personal accountability, if something goes wrong, is influenced by the legal framework of your company. For example, you can file for a sole proprietorship if you own the business wholly by yourself and intend to be solely liable for all debts and liabilities. However, be aware that using this approach can hurt your personal credit. The limited liability company is one of the most typical small business structures. The legal protections are combined with the tax advantages of a partnership in this hybrid form. After successful registration of your business, consider having a thorough marketing plan. Many entrepreneurs spend so much money developing their goods that they don't have a marketing budget by the time they launch. Alternatively, they may have spent so much time developing the product that marketing is a last-minute consideration. It would be best to market your business both online and offline brutally. Even if you have a physical location, having a website is necessary. You can create an essential informational website or an e-commerce website to sell things online. Now, industry, regional location, and experience all impact earnings. Being the owner of a small business is no different. Because there is no such thing as a conventional small company owner wage, it is impossible to forecast your earnings. You might be wondering what the average salary is for a business owner. The average small business owner earns $73,000 per year, according to Pascal's data. On the other hand, total earnings can range from $30,000 to $182,000 per year. Starting your business is not as tricky. It takes grit and resilience. Which business do you want to start? Do let us know in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and ring the notification bell to be the first to watch new videos on this channel.